Hello, my name is Kathy McGovern. I'm the Assistant Director of Student Health Services here at Arcadia University. I'm new here and I'm glad to be here. I was asked to talk about the flu. There's the seasonal flu that comes every year, and there's the H1N1 flu, otherwise known as the swine flu. Both flus are supposed to hit in the United States this year, and Arcadia University wants to be ready for them. The seasonal flu comes every year. The seasonal flu has the same symptoms as the swine flu. They're very hard to tell the difference. The swine flu is a pandemic because it is so easily spread from person to person. However, either flu has the same symptoms. Both flus have high fever, runny or stuffy nose, sore throat, a dry cough, achy, fatigue. You feel awful for a couple days. You don't need to be seen by a physician or a nurse practitioner unless you're in the high-risk category. The high-risk category includes people with asthma, people with other respiratory diseases, diabetes, seizures. Those diseases, when you're sick, they become more vulnerable. Diabetes, the glucose, the sugar can go up. Seizures can happen if somebody has epilepsy. Somebody with asthma can have difficulty breathing. Those individuals may need to come and see me or see their primary care doctor. But most people should be able to take care of themselves when they get the flu. So far, the seasonal flu nor the H1N1 swine flu has hit Arcadia University. Both flus are in Montgomery County. You need to be prepared if you get the flu. You need to know how to take care of yourself. Again, the best way to take care of yourself is fluids, Tylenol, ibuprofen, and rest. We do not test for the different types of flu because the treatment is the same. If you get the flu, you need to contact your professors and tell them you have the flu. Make up your work on your own. We are going to have the seasonal flu shot available at some point at the health center. I do not know when the flu shot is going to arrive. I do know that when it does arrive, I do not have enough flu shots for everybody. People that are in the high-risk category get flu shots first. Everybody else is second in line. If you are able to get the flu shot somewhere else, at your home doctor or flu clinic, you can do so. It only protects you from the seasonal flu. The H1N1 swine flu vaccine is in production. It has not been released yet. Arcadia University does not have any H1N1 swine flu vaccines coming at this time. If you get the flu, either flu, and you have a high fever, you are to stay away from public places, the dining hall, the library, out of the classroom. You need to speak with your professors via email. You can utilize Bruce Keller in the Taylor Building to help you catch up with work that you may have missed. We do not want you in a public place where you can transmit the disease. If you think it's better for you to go home, that's acceptable also. The idea is what the CDC, the Center of Disease Control, what they're recommending is self-isolation. Self-isolation means you stay in your room. You stay away from public places where you can make other people sick. Arcadia is aware that both flus are prevalent this year. Your professors should be understanding that if you are sick, that you're not going to be coming to class. The final thing I want to say about the seasonal flu and the H1N1 swine flu is if you do get sicker, you get dehydrated, you feel like you need to be seen, or you're in the high-risk group, you need to come see us here at Student Health Services or see your physician. There are antiviral medications that are available. The most prevalent one is called Tamiflu. Tamiflu must be used in the first day or two of your flu symptoms. After that, the flu will run its course quicker than the Tamiflu will be able to help you. If you are in a high-risk group, if you are dehydrated, if you are dizzy, if you feel that you need to be seen, You need to be seen in the first 48 hours after the onset of symptoms. Thank you very much. I hope this helped you understand the difference between the seasonal flu and the swine flu and helped you learn how to take care of your symptoms.